Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, why is there something instead of nothing? What does it mean to exist? This question isn't just for philosophers or scientists, it's for all of us. To ask about existence is to ask about ourselves. Our journey begins with curiosity, not equations. Think about the chair you're sitting on, solid and real. Now, think about a memory, real, but in a different way. We live among many kinds of reality, the physical, the mental, the emotional. Exploring existence is like being a detective, searching for clues about everything. The universe gives us a puzzle, not an instruction manual. The pieces are scattered, in distant galaxies and atoms in our own minds. Each discovery adds to our understanding, but the central mystery remains. So, let's embark on this exploration together, using imagination as our ship. Our quest to understand what it means to be here now on this small blue dot. The journey itself is what makes us human. What is reality made of? Let's start with the basics. The ground, the air, the stars. Science tells us these are made of atoms forged in ancient stars. This is the reality we can touch and measure. But reality isn't just physical. Close your eyes and imagine a red apple. It's real in your mind. Our thoughts, dreams, and imagination create inner worlds as real to us as the outer world. Concepts like love or justice can't be weighed, but they shape our lives and societies. These ideas exist in the shared space between minds, woven from human thought and cooperation. Reality has layers: the physical universe, the inner universe of thoughts and feelings, and the shared universe of culture and ideas. These realms are intertwined. A thought can change the world. A sunset can inspire peace. The mystery of existence is about how these realities connect. Our dreams and ideas shape the world, just as the world shapes our dreams. Reality is not just what we see, but also what we imagine and share. The universe is richer than we can measure. To understand existence, we must explore all its layers. The journey is just beginning. Before science, we used our minds to explore reality. Philosophers developed different ways to make sense of existence. Materialism says only matter and energy are real. Everything, even thoughts, comes from physical processes. Idealism flips this. Reality is fundamentally mental, and the physical world may be a projection of consciousness. Dualism suggests two kinds of stuff: physical and mental, interacting but distinct. This view matches our intuition but leaves us wondering how mind and body connect. Phenomenology takes a different path. It focuses on our direct, lived experience. Instead of debating what's ultimately real, it asks, what is it like to perceive, to feel, to be? Our personal journey of perception is a valid way to understand existence. Each perspective offers a unique lens on reality. None has all the answers, but together, they deepen the mystery. How we see the world shapes what we believe is real. The search for truth continues. Science gives us a powerful way to explore reality. The scientific method measures what is observable and testable. Telescopes, microscopes, and detectors reveal a universe stranger than we imagine. We know black holes and dark matter exist because we see their effects, not because we see them directly. Science defines reality by cause and effect. If something can push, pull, or transfer energy, it's real. But science has limits. It answers what and how, but struggles with why. It can measure the brain's activity during love, but not the feeling itself. Science maps the territory, but not the full experience of the journey. To understand existence, we need more than measurement. Now let's turn inward to the universe of consciousness. This is the world of personal experience. The warmth of sunlight, the joy of music, the sting of memory. Everything we know about the outside world is filtered through our consciousness. Imagination lets us build worlds, solve problems, and create the future. Our thoughts and dreams shape reality, just as reality shapes us. Emotions, joy, fear, sadness, are powerful guides, as real as gravity. They give meaning and direction to our lives. Ignoring our inner world would be ignoring the very lens through which we experience existence. A complete picture of reality must include both the objective and the subjective. The great mystery. How do brain processes create the feeling of wonder? This question remains at the heart of science and philosophy. Science and philosophy once traveled separate paths. One measured the world, the other explored ideas. Now they're converging. The deepest questions in physics, about time, the universe and consciousness, are as philosophical as they are scientific. Quantum mechanics blurs the line. Does reality depend on observation? What counts as an observer? Neuroscience maps the brain, but the hard problem remains. Why does brain activity feel like anything? Science and philosophy need each other. One tests, the other questions. Together, they expand our awareness and deepen our understanding. To explore existence, we need both rigorous testing and deep questioning. They are two sides of our drive to understand. Our journey has taken us from the cosmos to our own minds. Reality is a tapestry of matter, energy, thoughts, and feelings. There's no single answer to what it means to exist, only a beautiful, ongoing mystery. Embracing this mystery keeps us curious and humble. Wonder is available in every moment, in a leaf, a laugh, or a quiet thought. By asking questions and paying attention, we participate in the cosmic story. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. Let's keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep searching. The universe may never make perfect sense, but our quest to understand is noble. The journey is far from over, it's just begun.